In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to buy items from the store on Lethal Company. So when you're inside the ship and it's in the air, what you want to do is walk up here to the terminal and press E and type store just like this and press enter. So this brings up the company store where I can see all the items available and the respective price tags. So let's say I want to buy a shovel. Actually, I want to buy 2 shovels. So what I would do is type the name of the item, shovel, and the amount, just like this, 2, and press enter. So here it says the total cost of the items is 60, and if I want to see my credits, I can just look at the top left. I have the exact right amount of credits. To confirm my purchase, I can just type confirm, or just C, and if I change my mind, I can type deny, or D. So let's deny for now, and go back to the store by typing store, and let's buy some walkie-talkies instead. So to buy a walkie-talkie, I don't actually need to type out the whole thing, like this. I can just type walkie, part of it, and let me type the amount too. And there we go. So let me type C to confirm and press enter. And that's my order. So let me quit the terminal right here. And to get my order delivered, I need to first land the ship on a planet. So let me land the ship just like this. And let's wait for it to land. Now once your ship has landed, a rocket ship will come from the stars and actually deliver your items, so you need to wait for it to come down. It usually takes about 1 or 2 minutes, but it may sometimes take a few more. So let me just wait here. And that's my rocket coming, so let me go up to it and press E to open it. And there's one walkie-talkie, and there's the other one. And that's it. Thanks for watching.